Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Today's video is on subject maths and we are going to learn new topic that is called money. What is money? You have seen at home in hands of your parents. So, see, I am going to tell you something. See, what is this? Note. It is a note of 10 rupees. Then we have note of 20 rupees. Then we have note of 50 rupees. Then we have note of 100 rupees. Then we have note of 200 rupees. Then we have 500, and then we have note of 200,000 also. These are called notes. Like it is made up of paper, so we are saying it is a note. Now see, it is a metal thing and it is a coin of 10 and it is coin of 5. Earlier we have coin of 5, 20, 25, 1 rupee, 2 rupee. Nowadays all things are very costly, so there is no need of this small currency. Money we can also say currency, and every country has its own currency. Like India we say rupees, this is called rupees, okay. And in America it is called dollar, in some countries it is called euro. So every country has its own name of money. Now these are called metal things are called coins and this is called rupees. And already you know the shopping. When you go to the market or in shop, you say give me toffee of 2 rupees. Then you have to take out the coin of 2 rupees and you have to give. This is called exchange of money. You are giving coin of 2 rupees and he is giving toffee in place of money. So this is called exchange of money and this is called business. Giving and taking of things through money. Now if I say this is coin of 10 and this is coin of 5, how much money you have? So you have to add 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You have 15 rupees in your hand. Okay. Now this is already you know addition and subtraction. In the exchange of money, multiplication also you need, divide also you need. All the four things you have to apply while exchange of things. Okay. Now when this is of, suppose you went to the shop and you said give me this cream of 20 rupees and you don't have 20 rupees, you will give the money 50 rupees and he will take 20 rupees from you and give you some money back. So how do you know that shopkeeper have not cheated you? All shopkeepers are very smart. How can you know he has not cheated you? You are very small, so they can cheat you. So when he gives money, you have to count how much he has given. So 50 minus 20, you know the subtraction. So he will give you 30 rupees. So for that you have to be very smart in addition and subtraction. Okay. Suppose this teddy bear is of 70 rupees. How much money you will give? 50 rupees and 20 rupees. Okay. This is of 50 and 20. So you have to add 50 plus 20. How much? 70. You can give 70 rupees. But you don't have 50 and 20 rupees note. Then what you will do? You will give 100 rupees to the shopkeeper. Again, he will give you money and he will cut 70 rupees and give you leftover money. How much leftover money he will give? Again, you have to be smart. So that you can count. No, he will give me 30 rupees back. If he gives you 20 rupees, then you should say give me 10 rupees more. You have done wrong calculations. For that you have to be very fast in calculation. Suppose you don't have 100 rupees. Now you have to give 200 rupees for 70 rupees. So again 200 minus 70 you should know, so that he can give you money. So he will give you 130 rupees. So you have to be very smart while shopping. Okay. Okay. One more thing I will explain you. Suppose this teddy I told you it is of 70 and it is of 50. How much money you will give? So you should add first 70 plus 50. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 120 rupees you should give. Now again you need 200 rupees note to give to the shopkeeper. So how much he will return? He will return 80 rupees to you. Okay, suppose you don't have 200 rupees note. Then what should you do? You will give rupee of 500. Now you have to think which money you have to give. Again you should be very smart. Out of 500, 120 is required. How much money he will give? So you have to be fast in subtraction. Okay. Now this is the introduction of money. I think you have understood the money and small calculations. Now in the money chapter you have to be very smart in word problems. So next video I will send you on word problems so that you can solve your word problems very fast. What you have to do: multiply, divide, addition, subtraction. Okay. Suppose you want to take a packet of chocolate of 100 chocolates ka packet hai. You want to buy, and one chocolate 1 rupee. So how much money will you? Here you need multiplication. One chocolate 1 rupee. 100 chocolate, how much? 100 into 1, 100 rupees. You give 100 rupees. यही chocolate अगर 2 rupees की होती, so then you have to multiply 1 into 2. 200 rupees you have to give to the shopkeeper. So one more I will explain you. The ball is of 20 rupees. Okay, and this teddy is 70 rupees. Now 70 plus 20, you have to be fast in addition. It will of 90 rupees. Again you have to count. You can give 50. Now for 90 rupees you can give like this also. 50, 20, 70 and 80, 10 rupees, and one coin you can give 90. So in this way you have completed 90 rupees. If you don't have 90 rupees, then you have to go for big money, 100 and 200. But please be careful while taking money from the shopkeeper. They used to cheat small children. Okay. Now ask your parents to show the currency at home and tell your parents to give you small money for buying in this chocolates and this small things, so that you can learn a shopping activity. This will be your activity. You can arrange a shop like me. I have arranged toys and everything, and you can play the game of buying and saying. See, suppose one pencil is of 2 rupees and I want to take 10 pencils or 20 pencils, whatever. So you have to multiply the cost of one pencil into how much pencils you want. Suppose it is of 2 rupees and I want 10 pencils. So 10 into 2, 20 rupees. You have to give 20 rupees to the shopkeeper. So multiplication and everything you required, and you please learn tables daily, and so that your money shopping game will be easier for you and nobody will cheat you. Till then, you ask your parents to show you money and explain you shopping, how to do shopping, and be careful while shopping. So please do this activity fast and learn the tables. I will ask you tables in Zoom classes also, how speedily you are speaking. Everybody has to speak tables very fast. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.